Village Support Services is a home care provider. We're based in the South Wales Valleys in Blackwood, and we've been operating for around 20 years. My mother-in-law started the company, Mary, and our mantra has always been to value the staff, and I think it sort of speaks for itself when we've got members of staff who've been with us since the start, so for 20 years.
We started off and I used to do weekend, I used to do all the caring, wages, everything, till I managed to take a couple of people on in the office and just grew it from there really. But we've been through bad times and we've been through good times, and do pay our girls well, and we do look after them.
So the connection with the Educate Training Group and Village Support Services, we've worked with them since 2013, supporting them with their apprenticeships for their staff's learning and development. Feedback from the apprentices is that they feel really supported and that they know their families as well, which really makes them feel part of the business.
We're not making a product, we are working with people, and to value people that support people is essential. And I think by valuing each carer, regardless of what level you are in terms of your management level, I think they respect you more and you respect what they do, and you've got a shared goal together as well then.